Okay, hi everyone. Here's just a really quick video about factorial notation. You'll see that when we use this exclamation mark, that's called factorial notation. What it actually means, n factorial is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times all the way down to 3 times 2 times 1. To make that a little bit more simpler, here's some examples. 8 factorial is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times, you get the picture. Okay, 2 factorial, is 2 times 1. 1 factorial is 1. Just from definition, I'm not going to explain why right now, but 0 factorial equals 1. I just need to remember that. Okay. The cool thing about this notation is sometimes we can simplify it really easily. N factorial is just n times n minus 1 factorial. That's like saying 8 factorial is 8 times 7 factorial, or 5 factorial is like 5 times 4 factorial. This gets really useful when we're cancelling out. So 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial. If you write it out the long way, we've got that. But I can cancel out the 5s, the 4s, the 3s, the 2s, the 1s. So it's just 7 times 6, 42. 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial, it's around the whole thing. I just know it's 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. That's actually a nice number when you, because 6 times 5 is 30. And 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial, I think I just said that one out loud. 5. That becomes useful when we look at some probability things, some combinations of permutations you'll see later. The direct application for this, well, one of the most important ones anyway, is with probability. Here you have 5 cards, A, B, C, D, E. You need to put them in order. How many ways you can do this? Well, you got to pick the first one. There are 5 different cards you can pick for the first card. Once you pick that card, you can't pick it again because you only have 5 cards. So there are 4 different cards can be the second card in the order. There are 3 different cards that can be the third card. 2 different cards that can be the fourth card. Did I say second? I should say 2. And there's only 1 card that can be the last card. So how many different ways is that? Well, it's 5, and then 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. But every time you've got to multiply those. There's 120 different ways. Okay, so that's basically what you need to know about factorial notation.